Come on, music. Where's the music? There we go. 13. 9. I'm not going to go fast today. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now give me 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't feel like going fast. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all right, shake it out in between. I like this one. Point your toes towards me. Come straight down. Sometimes slower is better. 7. Sometimes slower is harder. 8. Now I want an Italian grinder. Keep your chin up. Keep going. Five more like this, come on. Nice, now give me 1, 2, lift your arms straight up. 1, 2, lift your arms straight up. Straight up. Come on. All right, split squats. Woo, burning. All right, down and up. You can keep your arms by your side. I got slippery mat today. Here we go. Keep going. If you guys want more, you can use weights. You're insane. Come on, give me 5 more like this. 3, 2, 1. Switch. All right, so down and up. 2, 3. This is good for our legs group anyway. A little extra. 6, 7, 8, 9. Got no balance today. 12. Woo! Take your time. We're not rushing today. 5 more. 4, 3, 2. I can count. Woo, shake it out. So I want down, little side kick. Down, side kick. Down, kick it out. Down, kick it out. Down, kick it out. Each time just reset. Down, down. If you don't want to kick, you can point. Do something like that. Lift, lift, lift. Woo! Narrow squat. Arms up. So it's like you're going to sit down, but you don't. 2. Keep your arms up. 4, 5, 6. Squeeze it in the back there. 8. Come on, 10 more like this. 16. Make sure you can see your toes. Just look quick, but then look back up. Don't let your knees go past your toes. Woo! 4, 3, 2. Woo! Sumo! Turn your toes out. Arms up. Make a fist. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Keep looking up. 9, 10. Now change. Hands on your hips, like a nice plie. Nice big round plie. All right, change it back. Arms up. Hey, stick your tush out a little more. Sumo. I feel like maybe I'm a weirdo, but the lower you go, feels good. It's a nice stretch. All right, nice and wide. Come down. We're gonna pulse. So you can put your hands forward if you want. Stay tall, shoulders back. Small pulse. I'll give you a little break in a second. Come on. All right, come on. 20 more seconds like this. Press them out, 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 out. You can say ouch, ouch. Woo! 10 seconds. Oh! All right, final. Now point your toes towards me. Come down. Here we go. All right, reach up, do the little breaks, come back down, keep pulsing. Give me like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can we do it one more time? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep going. Keep going. Woo! Oh, yeah. Grab something. I'll grab something. All right, right leg. Woo! Hug it. Woo, hug it. Put it in the back. Hold that stretch, you guys. Hold it. Stand up tall. Woo! All right, other side. Left leg. Hug it. Like little foot rolls. Hug it, bring it to the back. Hold that stretch. Woo! All right, your right leg, you guys gotta stretch. Make sure you stretch. Give me some little circles here. You're almost done. Reverse. All right, get the other side. Hang on to the wall. Yeah. Are you done for the day now? Woo! Bring it around. Woo! You know it. Hands on your hips. All right, keep your legs straight. Lean forward. Hold it. Keep your chin up. I like this stretch. It feels good in the back of my legs. Hands on your hips. Keep your chin up. Keep your legs straight. Flat back. Chin up. You're stretching the backs of your legs. Nice. Hang on to something if you need to. Arm up. Fold it forward. Stay down there for a second. Keep your chin up. Roll it up slow. One more like that. All the way down. Cross the right foot. You guys, I like to spend just a teeny bit of time stretching. You can hang on to something. Nice. Come back up. Crisscross the other. And if you need extra stretches, make sure you guys do it. Woo, nice big breath. Now you can go have that beverage or that sandwich. Hello, hello. All right, so how many squats did we do?